Alright, everybody. I'm going out the back gate with Jane because Caitlin has got a kite in the air around here and we're going to go see it. Come on, let's go. Alright, there's Caitlin over there on the hill with the fishing pole. Let's follow her string up. And there's her kite way up there. Y'all see it? Let's see if I can zoom in on it some. Can you see it? There it is. Yeah. Caitlin did good. She's got 3 balls of string on there. And my rod and reel. And Bubba's flying it now.
He took it over.
He took it over, yeah, right.
Really?
Well, he's got a ball of string on there too, so it's partly his. You flying it, Bubba? Come over here toward me. Walk slow so the kite don't fall. This is our corn. Didn't make much. What do you think, Jane? You see the kite? Huh? Look at that kite way up there. No, that corn didn't make it. Yeah, we got a kite in the air. Look at it way up there.
It's funny when Jim
follow the strings down. And on the end of it, there's my kid. That's my boy flying that kite over there. I think Jane wants to fly it.
No!
You gonna let Jane fly it once?
No.
She's not gonna hurt it.
No.
Come here, Jane.
No,
Let me see it. Let me fly it for a minute.
No, first
Here, Jane.
let it go.
Hold on to it. Don't let go.
I think we're...
Don't let go. Hold on to it.
Holding on.
Hold on to it. Don't let it go. Look, Jane's flying the kite now.
This way, Jane. Or that.
You're doing a good job, Jane.
Not letting it go.
Yeah, don't let her do it by herself. She ain't gonna let it
she
go.
just let it go.
Let go. Here, hold it with both hands, Jane. There
No,
you go.
No.
No, let go. Let her fly it. Here.
Can you hold it for her?
She's got it. She's got it. Look at her. She's having fun with it.
Look up.
Back there in the hand. She's having fun. She's flying that kite up there. Jane, you're doing a good job, baby. You're doing a good job, baby. Yeah, she done hooked her a kite. Come back here, Jane. Come back this way with it. Yeah, come back over here. Here, the wind's getting strong. Let me feel it. Let me feel it. Let me feel it. Let go, Jane. I got it. Y'all let go and let me fly it for a minute. There we go. Look at that. Sucker's pulling. Can I please hold it by myself, Caitlin? What do you think, Jane? We flying the kite? Yeah, you know everything about everything. I've been flying kites for 44 years.
Are you recording
Before you was even a glimmer in my eye. Alright. Jane, you want to do it?
I want to
Yeah,
fly. I said I want to fly it.
Look, get back. Let Jane have a turn.
Can I hold the
Y'all
camera?
so mean to her.
That's follow.
Come back here. You can't go. You got to hold on to it. Hold on to it. It's pulling your arm, ain't it? Yeah. Yeah, well, that's what you get for standing at the end of the pole when Jane's got it. Don't let it go, baby. You let it go, we'll lose it. Rod and reel and all.
Can I hold it?
Bubba, what do you think?
Cool.
Cool.
When can I hold it?
Look, let me see it. I'm going to make it do a trick. Watch. You got to pull it hard and then let it go. Pull it hard and then let it go. Let me see it, Jane. Look, you got to pull it hard and then let it go. Pull it hard and let it go. Pull it hard and let it go. Pull it hard and let it go.
When can my kite back?
What do you think, Jane? Here you go. Fly the dang kite. Miss Know-It-All. Miss Boss Prissy Pants Know-It-All. Come here, Jane. Come here. You wanna pick a corn? Our corn didn't do so well this year. We had early frost that got it. That's kind of poor looking, huh? Hey, but it's got a red head. I was always a sucker for a redhead. Alright. Come here, Jane. Let's see what it looks like inside. Look, it's a baby corn. Come here, it's a baby corn. Look, you can eat the whole corn. Watch this. Y'all stop it! Caitlin, that was rotten of you. Look, these little corns, you can eat the cob and all. Right there.
Think I should eat
That's
this
good.
piece?
Yeah, you can eat it.
Well, can I have a little corn? My own.
They're good.
Sliding over in my kite.
Put your mouth and eat it.
Can't. See these here?
Alright, that string's gonna burn you. She just wants to fly it a minute. Let go, Jane. Let go, let Bubba fly it for a minute. Huh? You fascinated because it's pulling on you, huh? There you go. Oh, Bubba thinks you're going to hit somebody upside the head, Bubba. Don't do it like that. Just hold it. I can zoom in on it. I can get a little closer, not much. Alright. Don't swing on the line, Jane. Oh, look who's coming. It's Mommy. Yay, Mommy. Come here and look at the little corns. They got red heads. You can eat the whole corn, the cob and all. See the little redhead corn. Here, hold that. It's on there. It's recording. Look, watch. Jane, get back over here, baby. Jane, get back over here, baby.
They were just standing outside.
Here, go get her, Caitlin.
Baby.
Good.
Yummy.
Take a bite.
Here.
All right, Bubba.
No, that wasn't good.
You flying it? Yeah, it is. Real good.
Well, I want one.
It's gonna get you, Jane.
Can I have one?
Take that one.
No, I don't want to. I want my own. It wasn't ready.
Here. No, it's not ready, but you can eat the whole corn when it's like that. You can eat the cob and all. It's sweet. That one's a little bigger than one Caitlin's got. Now, you actually listened to me, didn't you?
Maria, that's not quite right yet. Those don't taste good when they're not right. It's like eating alum.
You know, you can buy those pickled in the can.
Oh, I know,
The Chinese people put it in their stir fry.
It tastes like alum.
No, it's far from alum.
To me, it does.
Jane, get out of the ashes, baby. There's the kite. There's the Bubba flying it. There's the kite. There's the Jane. She's trying to escape. Go. She's pulling the cat's tail.
Hello, Daddy. I'm doing my thing. Daddy, my camera. The camera.
Caitlin, you got to be the center of attention all the time,
That's
don't you?
my kite. That's my kite.
It might be your kite, but it's my string on it.
My kite.
And Bubba's string and Jane's string. So it's everybody's kite. She pulled Kiki's tail. Kiki said.
But Kiki doesn't do much. She didn't go far.
Alright. Look at my baby. She's over here watching the kite. Did you have fun pulling the cat's tail? Did you have fun pulling the cat's tail?
Can I go find the kite
Okay,
now?
Caitlin. I got you in the camera. Are you happy?
Yes. Can I go find the
Yeah,
kite?
let Caitlin fly it.